Welcome to English Chats Daily.
Your daily partner for easy English conversations.
Hello and welcome to English Chats Daily. My name is Eva.
And I'm George. We are so happy you're here with us today.
Yes, welcome. Today we have a great topic for you. We are going to talk about the home.
That's right. We will help you learn how to describe your home and your room in English.
We will use very simple and clear English. It's perfect for beginners.
And remember, it's okay to speak slowly. The goal is to practice. Are you ready?
Great, let's start.
So, Eva, let's begin with the first question. Where do you live? Do you live in a house or an apartment?
I live in an apartment. It's in a big building in the city. What about you, George?
I live in a house. It is a small house with a little garden.
Oh, a garden. That's nice. So we have two important words, house and apartment.
Exactly. You can say, I live in a house.
Or I live in an apartment.
Let's practice saying those sentences. We will speak slowly so you can repeat.
Ready? Let's go. I live in a house.
Your turn.
Good. Now the other one. I live in an apartment.
Now you say it.
Wonderful. So think about your home. Do you live in a house or do you live in an apartment? You can say the sentence now.
Great job. It's good to practice speaking.
Okay, now let's talk about the rooms in a home.
Yes, rooms. Every house or apartment has rooms. Let's start with an easy one. The bedroom.
The bedroom is where you sleep. Let's say the word together. Bed, room.
Bedroom. My house has 2 bedrooms.
My apartment has 1 bedroom. You can say, this is my bedroom. Let's repeat that.
This is my bedroom.
Excellent. What is another room, George?
The living room. The living room is where you can relax or watch TV.
Right, living room. Let's say it slowly. Live-ing room.
Live-ing room. Now let's say the sentence. This is the living room.
Your turn to repeat. This is the living room.
Very good. Okay, next room. It's a very important room, the kitchen.
Yes, the kitchen. This is where you cook food. I love to cook.
Me too. Let's say the word. Kitchen.
Kitchen. Now repeat the sentence after me. This is the kitchen.
Great work. Okay, one more room for today. The bathroom.
The bathroom. This is where you wash your hands and brush your teeth.
Let's say it. Bathroom.
Bathroom. Let's practice the sentence. This is the bathroom.
Dachan.
Fantastic. So we have 4 rooms. Let's say them one more time. Bedroom,
Living room.
kitchen.
And
Bathroom. You were doing a great job.
Okay, so now we know the names of the rooms. What is inside the rooms?
Good question. Inside the rooms, we have furniture.
Furniture, yes. Let's learn some simple words for furniture. Let's start in the bedroom. What is in the bedroom?
The most important thing is a bed. You sleep in a bed.
Exactly. The word is bed. It's an easy word. Let's say it. Bed.
Bed. Now we can make a sentence. There is a bed in my room.
Let's say it together. There is a bed in my room.
Very nice. Okay, let's go to the living room. What is in the living room?
Usually there is a sofa. You can sit on the sofa and relax.
Right. The word is sofa. Let's say it slowly. Sofa.
Sofa. And the sentence is, there is a sofa in the living room.
Your turn to repeat. There is a sofa in the living room.
Perfect. Now, how about the kitchen, George?
In the kitchen, there is a table and there are chairs.
Yes, 2 words. Table and chair.
Let's practice them. First, table.
Now, chair.
Good. We eat at the table. We sit on a chair.
Let's try a sentence. The table is in the kitchen. Please repeat.
And another one. The chair is in the kitchen. Your turn.
You are learning so many new words today. It is fantastic.
Okay, now for our last part. We know rooms and we know some furniture. Now, let's learn how to say where things are.
This is very useful. We will learn 3 simple words: in, on, and near.
Right. We already practiced in. For example, the bed is in the bedroom.
In means inside. The table is in the kitchen. Let's try our next word, on.
On. O-N. On. For example, my keys are on the table.
That's a great example. Let's make another one. A book is on the table. Can you repeat that?
A book is on the table.
Good. Or we can say, the pillow is on the bed.
Yes. Let's repeat that. The pillow is on the bed.
Excellent work. Okay, our last word is near.
Near. N-E-A-R. Near means close to something.
Right. For example, the chair is near the table.
Let's say that together. The chair is near the table.
Another example. Maybe you have a desk in your room. You can say, the chair is near the desk.
Let's repeat that one. The chair is near the desk.
You are doing so well. It is really great to practice these words.
Yes. So today we learned many new things. We learned how to say if you live in a house or an apartment.
We also learned the names of 4 rooms: the bedroom, the living room, the kitchen, and the bathroom.
And we learned some furniture words: bed, sofa, table, and chair.
And finally, we learned how to say where things are, using the words in, on, and near.
Now we have a little homework for you. It's fun homework.
Yes, after this podcast, look around your home. Try to make sentences. For example, this is my kitchen, or the sofa is in the living room.
You can speak out loud, or you can write the sentences down. The important thing is to practice.
You did a wonderful job today. Thank you for learning with us.